Number 6. The integral of x raised to 1 over 3 plus 1 by raised to 3 over 2 all over by x raised to 2/3 dx. Kung papansinin natin maigi na ang numerator natin except the exponent ay equal to the denominator when the numerator is derived. So, automatically meron tayong neutralize yung factor na 3 dahil dito sa 1/3. So, try natin. U is equal to the numerator except the exponent. Plus 1. So, derived. Okay, 1/3. X, 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3 plus, plus 0 dx. So, the neutralizing factor here is basically 3. Isab natin. So, 3 integral of u raised to 3 over 2 over dx over x raised to 2/3. So, ito lang rin yun, no? Kapag, yan. So, du. So, isab na natin. Du. So, 3 integral of u raised to 3 over 2 is 3 over 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So, u raised to 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus the constant. Okay, isub natin yung u, then simplify the equation. So, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 over 5 multiplied by u is x raised to 1 over 3 plus 1 raised to 5 over 2 plus the constant. Ito na ang final answer ng number 6.